Hey y'all, it's Heidi here. I've been having a couple questions about the Ibotta app, so I wanted to go ahead and tell you guys how to cash out gift cards on Ibotta once you reach $20. So when you go to the Ibotta app, you're going to click on the home page. On the bottom, you're going to scroll down. There's Home, Redeem, Earn More, and Account. You want to click on Account. Once you click on Account, it's going to have your current earnings, your lifetime earnings, and withdrawal earnings. You want to click on Withdraw Earnings. Now, there are 3 different ways you can do your cash out. You can do it to your bank, you can do PayPal, or digital gift cards. I haven't done the bank or the PayPal, but you can if you set that up. These are all the gift card options. They have quite a few. My favorite are Amazon, Walmart, and Ulta. You can choose any of the gift cards. They have a minimum underneath each one, so you can see once you hit $20 which ones you can cash out for $20. I chose Walmart for this one. I'm doing a $50 one, so I clicked on the 50. Then I entered in my password, the same password it is to sign into your Ibotta account when you set it up. Once you do that, it'll tell you your purchase is successful and they'll email it to you. This is what it looks like when they email it to you. You'll hit claim gift card, then it'll bring up this page. It'll have the amount you cashed out for. It'll also have the PIN number and the card number. If you want to do it online, that's what you need. If you don't and you want to use it in the store, you hit tap to use. It'll bring up a little barcode for the cashier to scan at Walmart. And that, you guys, is how you cash out a gift card on Ibotta once you reach $20. If you have any other questions regarding the Ibotta app, please don't hesitate to ask me. I'm here to help. If you're new to Ibotta and would like to join my team, I'll put my referral code in the description box. And if you're new here to my channel, I hope you'll consider subscribing before you go. I'll have all kinds of upcoming deals using different money-saving apps, so you'll want to make sure you stick around. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Bye.